Happy birthday, Tony. Thank you so much. Okay, now, kids, this time for our friends came here. So breathing big. I think everybody is big. Right? And kids, do you know how to play this game, kids? Okay, so all you have to do here, you just breathe in the item or something that's not enough to get. Like for example, Amy will have to bring in a copy. Ano bilhin mo sa akin? Kapag namin mo bring in sabi niya, ano bilhin mo sa akin? Sabi niya, okay, we'll be up there or what's up? Okay, I'm sorry guys. We have a little right here. And her name is Nikki. Okay, so everybody I'm sorry for Nikki. Thank you so much for giving me out for Nikki. Thank you so much. And I'm sorry to you know we have a winner already. We have every time, okay? Right? Thank you so much. Okay, now next relative. Okay, listen up there. Okay, next relative. This time I want you to bring me 5. So I want you to get me from the wall, okay? 5 balloons, go! I'm sorry, but I'm sorry guys, we have a winner right here also. Okay, you can hear? Obi, then Obi, how are you Obi? 7, nasa wala na Obi? Wala na na, okay, Obi, nasa okay, first time the picture right there. Thank you so much. Now all the kids, I want you to put all the balloons together, right? Go on, put the balloons right there. Go. Okay, now next relative. Okay, now kids, are you ready for the next relative? Yeah. Okay, kids, next bringing. This time I want you to bring me your most beautiful mommy. Go! Okay, sabi ko, di ba ang grateful ni mga isa, ha? Okay, happy birthday, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beautiful mommies here, okay? Now, I also say this mommy here. Okay, now first mommy here. Mommy, what's your name, mommy? I'm Elsa. Do you have any name, mommy? Oh, really? I'm sorry, mom. Okay, now mom, teaching a bit to 80. Now, I did, sorry. I did teach her, right? Mommy, thank you for being such a teacher, mommy, thank you so much. You know, the second mommy here, what's your name? Everybody, how are you, mommy? Pagdating sa talaga mga nakakapagod. Okay, thank you, mommy. Thank you for being such a support, mommy. I'll be able to appreciate you, mommy. Iya, like Nadia, this is your friend. Thank you so much. Okay, she looks like Dora. Okay, now sir, mommy, you have any mommy? You have any more mommy? What do you want? Hey, mommy, thank you for being such a good and really together, right? Yeah, mommy, what's the name? How are you, mommy? Hey, mommy, thank you for being such a good support also, mommy. Yeah, she's going to Gerald and Gerald together, right? And also, mom, that's mommy, what's your name? Mommy, Brenda, happy birthday, Parawakan. Okay, now, mommy's going to be Raya, Mommy, thank you so much, mommy, and also guys together, right? And then the last one is, hey, mommy, let's bring mommy. For tomorrow, for 30 seven, I'm sure you'll take a shame, holiday, okay, finally, mommy. Okay, since the name drinking mommy very well, we have a special thing for you, mommy. Yeah, special thing for you. Okay, you're gonna talk to your father. Okay, mommy, thank you so much, mommy. Okay, I like to learn about your singing. Daddy, go! Everybody singing Daddy, go. Okay, now, please, what is your name, sir? Mark. Okay, before you have been ready to hey, sir, Mark, go to Sir Mark. Okay, Sir Mark, Sir Mark. Okay, since singing namin kailangan namin, okay, sir, you're gonna sing a happy birthday from Water Girls, okay? So, sir, nakapela na lang. So, you can sure get okay? So, ready, sir?
Wala akong painting that yung space.
Okay. Alright, so everybody, let's stand for Sir Mike here. Right, sir? Okay, kakasabay, sir. Okay, hindi kumata. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, wonderful. Happy birthday, boy.
Alright, everybody, let's stand for Sir Mark. Sir Mark, please, meron kayo magandang bonus, meron kayo party natin. Okay, mga kapatid, meron ng 100 pesos MRT billion. Okay, mga kapatid, bibigyan ito. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being such a good part. Okay, now, kids,